Check out this 2009 Mazda 6. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Passenger airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.